Hey guys, what's going on? Got a Easy Viz doorbell we're replacing. We're gonna go ahead and use our new Ring video doorbell. Customer stating that his Easy Viz rings here, however, we lost connection inside. So we're gonna take out this top screw, take down the bottom screw. Oh, looks like it already fell out. So we'll take this all out, put in our new one, and go from there. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, now we're going to test to see if we still have good continuity from here to our transformer, which clearly we're getting power, but it's not going off inside. So let's listen. So we do have good power. Now we're going to go ahead and install the Ring doorbell. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so inside here we got obviously the doorbell, we got our security screws, security screwdriver, this is our charger, and then we have our screws as well as our sticker. As far as the sticker goes, it is dual-sided. Peel the back off, put this on the inside of your window. Do not put it on your door, do not put it exterior on your window. It will deteriorate and look like garbage. So put this on the inside. Make sure you clean the window first. It is kind of a deterrent. And then obviously here we have a QR code that we're going to scan and get it added to the Ring app. Stay tuned. Alright, we got this where we want. So now they do sell wedges so that we can get more of an angle either down to keep out on packages or left or right where it could come out and keep an eye on your vehicle. Alright, now that we got that installed, we're going to attach these little tabs here to the back of here, and then it's going to sit on top of here, clip in, and then there's two screws that go in the bottom. So now once we get that connected, we can push this into place. Have these two screws to lock on. These are our security screws here, along with our screwdriver. You can see it's flashing blue, charging up. Stay tuned guys, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and scan.